Hello lovely people and welcome back to the channel. For those who is new, my name is Eugene, but you can call me Papa Lucas. Every day on this channel I am trying to bring to your attention projects from the DeFi world which will be able to help you to create a passive income stream. And in today's episode we're going to talk about BOMB.MONEY. But before jumping into this protocol, understand that entire market now is completely red, and I just really wanted to quickly have a look at the way the situation looks like now. You can see Bitcoin is traded at around $30,800, which is minus 3% for the past 24 hours. Of course, the biggest disappointment so far, it's our stable coin, which is USD, Terra USD, trading at 0.45 cents. And this is something which is definitely not bringing a lot of confidence in the DeFi world, especially with the Anchor protocol, which we have reviewed yesterday. And if you can see, the Terra was the top 10 coin for basically since the peak, and here you go. Currently Terra is trading at $5. Sorry, there was the low today at around $4 ish, but if let's just have a look at this at $4.24. It's crazy because this is the prices where Terra Luna was on May last year, $4.10, and with the all-time high $116 almost. Yeah, $116. I would say that this is a really huge dump. You can see that the trading volume was 10.4 billion US dollars. This is really crazy about it. If some people are saying that this project is going to recover, I do hope so. This project will, because Terra team is really serious. However, again, this is one of the examples when we know that the DeFi world is completely wild west, and if your project is under the attack, and there is not much you can do about it, especially with the market minus 83%. Ladies and gentlemen, this is nuts. Okay, let's just talk about the BOMB.MONEY and how you will be able to be involved in this protocol. So previously in my previous videos, I have reviewed EMP.money, where basically EMP token was packed to the price of the Ethereum. So BOMB is packed to the price of the Bitcoin. And they're offering, you can see here, its current APR at 0.5%. I like the way they just mentioned it here, that Bitcoin doesn't need to be passive, DeFi doesn't need to be confusing. But it's easy to say in this time when all the DeFi space is really sinking. So, but however, BOMB is another fantastic project, just considering that they were inspired by the TOMB.FINANCE. So once you are going to the white paper, you will be able to see that BOMB is based upon the work of the brilliant TOMB.FINANCE project on the Phantom network. At the time, it was hard to believe that nothing similar existed on any other larger network. However, the BOMB.MONEY is basically on the Binance Smart Chain. So they're just trying to give you an idea how does it work and what is the pack. For those who is not familiar with the pack, here is just a small explanation of BOMB is the token that intended to track the price of the Bitcoin algorithmically. So the ratio for this pack is 10,000 BOMB to 1 Bitcoin. So for example, if today's Bitcoin price is at 30,000, so at 30,000, in average, we can just mention $30,000. So the BOMB should be $3 because their pack is at 10,000 to 1 BTC. So BOMB actively tracks this pack via an algorithm, but that doesn't mean it will be valued 10,000 BOMB to 1 BTC at all the times. It's not collateralized. BOMB is not to be confused for the crypto fiat-backed stablecoin. That's what basically happened with Terra and UST. So there are several points which definitely have to cover. So when the BOMB price is over the pack, new BOMB tokens are minted by the protocol to inflate the supply in attempt to drive the price down towards the pack. So when the BOMB price is at the pack, no new BOMB will be minted, keeping the supply fixed during this time. Since there will be no new supply coming in, the pack will be maintained indefinitely at the point until there is the shift in demand. And of course, the third section is when the BOMB price drops below the pack. The protocol will begin to mint B bonds up to a maximum debt limit. Experienced investors will have the ability to exchange their BOMB for these B bonds, which they can then redeem for a BOMB at the premium above the pack in the future. This removes BOMB from the total supply, applying upward pressure on the price towards the pack. So that's what you need to understand. And of course, like they're trying to say that basically you buy some Bitcoin, you go to their Binance app and Binance app on the BNB. You will be able to see, here you go, Bitcoin price, and here you go, the BOMB price, almost. And the B bond now is at $95. So they're mentioning here, they do have several options how you're able to stake it. You can buy B share, BUSAM. You can have a look at their BOMB chart. Here, so you can see the current price of the B share, which is $95.45. Here's the B bond price. B bond price will be equivalent to the price of the BOMB, because as we have mentioned, once we're dropping below the pack, that's the time when BOMB start issuing the B bond. So you can also give the liquidity to the BOMB BTC on the Pancake swap. And another one is B share BNB on Pancake swap liquidity pool. Of course, they do have Bodrum, XBomb, Bond, but the most easiest way how you will be able to participate in this protocol is basically just to stake your Bitcoin, and you're going to get the 0.5% on the daily APY. You can, for example, another point, I love this, their attention BOMB cycle guide to indefinite printing. And once you click on top of this, there is the article from the Medium. They are talking about how to print forever. And this is something that forever in the DeFi world, again, I would never say, just looking into the USD and what is currently happening. However, the article summary here, you will be able to find that B share holders ideally want the Bodrum to keep printing new BOMB. As simple as that. More BOMB you're going to have means more the ROI will be of course faster, and you will be able to accumulate more passive income, because this will allow them to continue to get BOMB rewards 4 times per day and make their B shares much more valuable. And of course, the several points which they have highlighted here, they're just trying to say that follow these quick pointers will keep BOMB printing forever. What I wanted to say that do not put it in the way that the team is trying to sell you something. Team is always trying to show you how the protocol will be able to maintain itself, and on another side will be able to be helpful not only to the team, however to the community as well, because if there is no community, means that there is no investors, and nothing that whatever the BOMB team is doing, they're not going to achieve without the investors. So strong suggestion, of course, go ahead and have a look at this BOMB.MONEY. It's something which is not everyone is talking about, especially these days when everyone is expecting the price of the Bitcoin and the entire crypto space is going to go lower. However, please do not ever try to time the market. Do your just do simple strategy, dollar cost average. You're buying today a little bit, you're buying tomorrow a little bit, price go up and down every single time. So once you wanted to plug in or to participate in this protocol, do so. They do have a fantastic videos as well on the YouTube with a guideline how you can be involved in these protocols. Go to their docs, as have been mentioned before, in order to understand how you are able to get started, how to buy BOMB. Very simple step-by-step guidelines, which kind of strategies you will be able to you have at this protocol. And of course this team is doxed, KYC'd, audited product. This protocol has been launched in December 2021, and for the DeFi world almost half of the year in the next 1 week. It's quite a good amount of time in order for this protocol to sustain itself. You will be able to see that their roadmap majority points are almost completed. There are only issues, like you can see that they haven't completed the website revamp to make our core features much easier to understand and allow for the simply participation in the protocol. Because for those who doesn't have a clue about the protocol, once you enter in the website, it might be confusing. That's why they're trying to show it very straightforward. So you participated just, I don't know, by staking your Bitcoin, please do so. If you wanted to go to purchase some B share, you can do this. And of course, they also want to, you see, run a BOMB.MONEY Binance Smart Chain validator, required 10,000 BNB. They haven't done it yet. Other new and excited ways for users outside of the Binance Smart Chain to participate in our protocol. So it should be a cross-chain. Shift, a community government project. There will be all contracts are owned by the DAO. And what is DAO? Decentralized autonomous organization. So there are lots of projects on the DAO, and the peak of the DAOs and the big highs and ups and lows for DAO protocols were December, January. However, once the team is moving to the DAO, which means that all the rights and all the strategies will be not only on the team, however on the shareholders like us, investors. And of course, here you go, the launch of the BOMB chain with the BOMB as the native token, currently project for the late 2022. This is currently their all roadmap. As I have mentioned, the project has been launched in December 2021, and 6 months is quite a number. It's quite a time for this protocol. Anyway, do let me know your thoughts about the BOMB.MONEY. If any one of you already participated in this protocol, leave the comments down below. If you like these types of the videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would really personally appreciate in order for my video and my channel to reach out to as many people as possible. Anything that you wanted to know from my side, please also do leave the comment in the description of this video. But up until then, farewell.